Good morning, Discord. Good morning, YouTube. All right, today we're going to see if we can make enough money to buy some ballpark beers. You know they cost a lot of money. All right, so today's Friday. Contracts expire. We had some significant movement up in the last few days. So let's see if today's going to be a little bit of pullback or if we're just going to go cruise sideways. Some sideways motion wouldn't be bad, especially for trading the way we do. If we get some motion like this, that'll be nice. That would be nice. So today, I think we're going to try to use VWAP. So VWAP stands for Volume Weighted Average Price. And it's just another, it's an indicator. And it's another, a lot of liquidity lies at VWAP, right? So it's going to be this orange line. So you know, you can also tell your trend a lot of the times from VWAP, right? So if you're above VWAP, then you're in an uptrend. If you're below VWAP, you're in a downtrend. Price likes to gravitate towards VWAP, similar to the moving averages. So you can see how, if we go back to yesterday, how immediately it tapped off VWAP, and VWAP was also on the 20-day, and boom. Yeah, so now we're right at VWAP. So let's see how we react to VWAP. We're going to use VWAP today. Not the whole day, but when necessary. Or we're going to try to implement it so we can, since the moving averages are kind of far. All right, so let's see if we reject underneath VWAP right now. Some VWAP rejection. All right, so we're in purple. Let's see what we got. Let's see if we build some liquidity in purple. Let's see if we break the purple and then hit that right there. So the reason I'm only drawing the down scenario now is because we see the up scenario, right? We see what that looks like. So if this purple is going to hold up, then we should see maybe something like that. So then we'll have our 50-50 over here. I'm going to clean up the chart just a little bit. We see what's going on. Let me clean up the chart just a tad. So bounce off VWAP. We're going to hit key level. This purple might be holding up so far. Looks like a momentum candle right here. Let's see how much strength that has. First key level test. A little bit of hesitation. Let's see if we get, I don't know, 2 red candles and then a green candle for continuation to stay inside the purple. There goes the 2 red candles followed by a green one. Now let's see if we stay inside this purple. Ooh, spoke too soon. Red candle, red candle. Okay. All right, 3. All right, 2 red candles followed by a green, staying inside the purple. Now we're gonna test. It's still a little bit early, so we're gonna test this purple. We're gonna test this purple and see what's up. Because if we get a shallow bear cycle here, we'll see. Let it play out. We don't need to try to guess anything. Don't need to try to guess. The uptrend is pretty strong, so let's wait for confirmation, because it's a strong uptrend. We don't want to fight the trend. All right, let's see what we got. Now we're going to test this purple. Let's see if it dances right here at this purple. Back to VWAP, right? See how it came right back to VWAP? The orange line. If you can't see it, we're right on VWAP right now. Now let's see how we react to VWAP. So rejection off key level, back to VWAP. We're back at market open. No significant movement. I like to get a little more, some more green candles before it just drops out. I'm not gonna have confidence with this. Like for example, let's say if it's break a purple, I'm not gonna have that much confidence. I'd like a couple green candles here, right on purple. But you don't always get what you want. But ideally, we'd like to see a couple green candles before it just drops right out. We're gonna test to see if purple's gonna be our down for the day. Let me clean up this chart just a bit. I know normally we'd be like break a purple, but just give it a little bit of time. Oh, it's 15 minutes. It's up to you. All right, yeah. There are some green candles coming in now. That's what we want to see. A couple green candles. I'd actually like to see the other shoulder form somewhere up here like this before it heads out, if it is gonna head out. Like like this green candle, maybe a taller green candle right next to it, and then slowly losing strength, and then maybe I'll feel more confident with the purple being the down. That would be ideal, right? That'll be like the perfect day. But if that's not it, then we'll wait for this break retest of the purple. So I'm gonna clean up the chart. You see what's happening, or I'll just leave it. I guess I can take this one away. Let's see. Okay. Okay. All right, let's see. There it is. Protect your trade. Protect your trade. Easy money. Easy money. Come on, give us some more. Give us some more. Oh, I don't like that wick. Come on. Easy money. Do you hear the money rolling in? Do you hear the money rolling in? Do you hear it rolling in? There it is. It's actually too easy. It's actually too easy. We can't lose. Hey. Woo-wee. Good early morning base hit. Let's ride. Let's go. Let's go. Easy money. Now imagine if you just would have put 10, 20 contracts on that breakup purple. Imagine. You could be done for the day and be happy. Done for the day and be happy at the same time. It's actually too easy. It's too easy for us. Alright, don't get greedy though. Don't get greedy. Don't get crazy. Look at the money we printed. Look at this money. Oh, it feels so good. I'm concerned about this level right here though. Hopefully we just drop right through this level so I can collect more money. All right. All right. Don't get greedy now. Don't get greedy. All right, I'm gonna clean up the chart. How perfect. How perfect. Amazing. Simply amazing. What a good, yeah, we did have a good week, man. We had a pretty good week. And yeah, I'm glad you guys stuck with me through my stuff, man. I'm glad y'all stuck with me. You know, I'll be honest. I was like, when I had my health issue, I was thinking, what if I lost the skill? Right? I know it sounds silly, but it's true. I was like, damn, what if I lost it? Or something like that. You know, I was like, dang, I was just worried about it. What if I lost it? And truth be told, I'm actually getting better, right? You get better. If you practice anything for long enough, you get better at it. So, yeah, I think we'll be okay. We are going to be okay. We gonna make money. We gonna make money. All right, let's wait for the next setup. Yeah. Oh yeah. Stack pack. That's funny. I like that. I like that. Okay, that was a pretty good. Let's see if we can get a little bit more out of it. Don't get greedy now. Don't get greedy. So yeah, we did a little play off of VWAP right here. That's what I was talking about earlier. See how it tested VWAP, retest, and rejected under VWAP? So that was that. And that was that. Okay, a little bit more, a little bit more. I'll take some more. I'll take some more. That's the important thing, right? You go in on your trade. You survive the retracement. You survive the retracement. Then you can move your stop. You move your stop. As long as your trade's protected, as long as your trade's protected, don't get greedy. If you get stopped out and your trade's protected, whatever. There's always another setup, right? So protect your trade as soon as possible. Don't hesitate. Protect as soon as possible. Follow the strategy that we have as far as, well, not, it's everyone's strategy, as far as your stop loss, where your stop loss should be. And you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Even on 50-50s, if you take 50-50s and you got to put your stop tight on 50-50s. That's. But look at this money. Look at the money we printed. Early money. Every day. Every single day we do this. That's the best part. Even this little movement, right? Once you build your contracts, this little tiny movement, hundreds and hundreds, when you get to that point, thousands of dollars. And how long? Well, what did it take us? 30 minutes? Under 30 minutes. It's very possible. Very possible. If we get another leg down, I'll probably start moving my stop. It's been a good day already. Just stick to our strategy. All right, let's see what we got. Let's make some more. Let's make some more. That's not enough. Right? Let's make some more. We got ballpark beers to drink. Oh, look at this. Ah, okay. Good trade. Good trade. Good trade. Good trade. Here we go. Next setup. So I don't know if you can see, but it's touching right on VWAP. That this candle wicked right on VWAP. It went straight to VWAP and wicked. Straight to VWAP. Quick base hit. Feels good. I'm not a big fan of this though. Let me take this away. It's probably like this. And then let's see if we got. I'm still here. I'm just thinking. I'm not sure about this green. Don't put too much stock into this green. I'm not sure about it. And then right back to VWAP, right? right back to VWAP. Let's wait for the next setup. Let's see what that should look like. All right, let's go with... It's going to be a play off of VWAP like this. I'm not sure about this magenta. I'm not sure about the magenta. I'm trying to make it work, but I think I'm forcing it. I need another up. So here are the possibilities. We want to look for a cup to form here and possibly safety above the blue, right? Or we could be looking at a bolt right here. I'm not happy with this magenta. It's just not, it's not doing it for me. Okay, let's see what we got. Give it time. I don't know who said day trading was risky. I don't know who said it. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I don't mean that. It could be for sure. It could be. If you don't have a solid strategy, and there's many strategies, right? There's many. But if you don't have a solid one, and you're just going in there hoping and praying and trying to rely on indicators, there are indicator strategies, don't get me wrong. But it's so hit and miss, it's hard to like be profitable from it, right? There's other factors you got to take into consideration. It's hard to be profitable from it. So it looks like we broke this yellow. I think the yellow might be okay. I'm still not sure about the green. I'm thinking it might be build in purple and break green. We'll see what's gonna happen. What we do know for sure is we're stuck between these key levels. 548.03 and 544.43, right? Right between those key levels. We're hovering at VWAP. That's what we do now. So we'll wait for some movement. We don't have to rush anything. Okay, we're still inside this yellow. There we go. All right, here we go. If it breaks blue, look for your target's gonna be 548.03, right? That's high a day, so maybe break blue, retrace, and then the shoot up. So maybe like this. That might be your safer bet. Kind of like what we did over here. So if you took the 50-50, protect your trade. All right, 50-50, your trade is protected. I'd feel a little more confident if we let it build strength, even if it did break blue. Let it build some strength first, because the key level's right here. So there's going to be resistance right here. Ideally, we want to see it, you know, something like this. That'll be ideal. Matter of fact, it could drop down all the way to this cup. So all right, if you took break a blue, protect your trade. Break a blue for the up, protect your trade. If you took break a blue, you can't lose now, right? Your trade's protected. You cannot lose. But you can't hesitate. And if you're waiting for the retracement, that's fine. Nothing wrong with that. Because the risk to reward is short over here. But if you took that 50-50, you're probably making good money right now. All right, we expected this. So this might even be a better entry. You just gotta wait. Give it some time. Give it some time. And if you get stopped out, you get stopped out. No big deal. You can always enter back in. 84% rule. You get stopped out for... Should be... There it is. Come on. Let's go. So if you entered blue, your stop should be, I mean, I go a little bit in profit at this point. Go a little bit in profit just so you can get something out of it, right? Because we're expecting a pullback, probably back to blue. Because we're reaching resistance at this key level right here. But if it shoots straight through, then okay. Then okay. This is too easy. We make money in every direction. This is actually too easy. If someone told me years ago day trading is just clicking a button and waiting waiting for money to roll in, Don't get greedy either. Oh, look at this money. Come on. Come on. Look at the money. Oh, yes. Look at the money. Look at the money we printed. Right? Look at the money we printed. Come on, shoot up right through. Shoot right through. Shoot right through. Come on. Move your stop now. Move your stop. You know, collect a little bit more. Don't stop yourself out just yet. Collect a little bit more. This still could go all the way back down inside blue and come back up, so don't get greedy. You'll understand when you're dealing with like a lot of contracts and you got a lot on the line, you'll start taking these little hits and getting out. Quick 1,000, 2,000, you'll be in and out. 4,000 or 5,000 for the day. I mean, what more do you want? And then every now and again, you'll get those home runs where it just you know, runs. The candles start to stack and cascade, and then that's when you get your, you know, $10,000 days, stuff like that. It'll happen. Just got to give it time. You got to build to it. Rome wasn't built in a day. Neither are traders. So let's see if the retracement back to blue lines up with the with the VWAP. See, the VWAP is right here where my this orange line. Or is it gonna do this thing right here? Boop, boop, boop. We'll see. A lot of resistance right here, so give it a second. Don't force any trades. If you didn't get in on break of blue, you didn't get in on 50-50, it's too late now. Might as well just wait. We gotta wait to see if this happens right here. Okay, so that's your up scenario. Your down scenario. Huh. Yeah, I think break of purple looks good. There might be a half channel here. Let's see. There might be a half channel. I'm not going to put it just yet. If you took the 50-50, start tightening your stop. Single contract should have been out on break of yellow. So ordinarily, this looks like enough liquidity built in blue to give us some strength up. So if we get back in blue and start rejecting underneath blue, negative, right? Then we're going to start looking for break of green or break of purple. But you see how VWAP and blue is starting to meet at the same, is about to meet at the same time, same place. So that's what we want to see. What happens at VWAP and the blue. You see how these algorithms, how they, it's not just, You'll see it one day. You'll see it. Trust me. It takes time. Just takes time. All right, multiple contracts should be moving their stop on their second tranche. Take a little bit of money. Take a little bit. We know we're going to meet resistance right here. Take a little bit more on your second tranche. So then now we have to think, was this a momentum candle? Was this a momentum candle or a stop hunt? About to find out. This red candle kind of canceled this one out though. Let me see. It's not quite engulfing, but it's there. Alright, so now we see VWAP and blue at the same time. Back to VWAP. Let's see what happens. Let's check the higher time frames. Okay. So we might be seeing like a double top. Back inside blue with some strength. Broke VWAP. Remember I told you this morning they like to burn out contracts, right? So we're just in between 548.03 and 544.43. So if you're doing like support and resistance type trading, you know what to do, right? Calls on the bottom, puts at the top. We already knew what to expect. We called this out way before it happened. We knew there's going to be resistance right here. Right exactly on this level, we knew where resistance was going to be. Let's see if we break VWAP. Break a purple. That's hard to catch. This one, that's hard to catch. And then green, break a purple, break a green. Here it is. Here it is. There it is. Break a purple for the down. Protect your trade. This candle happened so fast though. Break a purple for the down. Protect your trade. Simply amazing. Simply amazing. Look at the money. Oh, today's been such a great day. Today's been an amazing day. And we know we're going to meet some pressure right here, but I think it might have a little more room to go. Look at this. Look at the money I just did the double top. Look at it. Come on now. Come on now. Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Oh, goodness. It's too easy. And we broke key level. Nice. Now, another resistance is going to be at this blue, right? Don't get greedy. Take your money. Beautiful trade. Absolutely beautiful trade. Break a purple. We already knew it. We already knew break a purple. That was our down scenario. We broke, what is this? Yellow. Back inside blue, break a purple. Break a purple and you had break a green. So I think I like yeah, this green held up. This green actually held up. Oh man, today's been a good day. Today's been a good day. Oh, my computer's messed up. What the hell? Perfect double top. Look at to the exact level that I drew it. This, I mean, I don't know what more I can do. Now we're gonna break, retest, and reject underneath green. Let's see. Oh, today has been oh my goodness. On a Friday? I'll take it. On a Friday. This is a good way to close the week. Break, retest, reject underneath green. Come on. I'm giving y'all the sauce. Take your money. Take your money. Don't give anything up. Simply a phenomenal day. This is an amazing day. Look at the money we printed today. Every single day we print money. Stick to our strategy. We're going to be fine. We are going to be fine. Stick to this strategy. I'm telling you. We win. Break, retest, reject. Come on, I'm giving you the sauce. I'm telling you what to do. Take your money. Heavy resistance or support at 544.43. So just to clarify, if there's any gosh darn sticklers out there, when I say resistance in any direction, I mean resistance from the direction we're currently going in. Look at the money we're printing. Is today real? Is today real? In every single direction we've been able to make money. Every single direction. Simply amazing. Look at this money. Oh. It feels good to win, doesn't it? Come on. We need to get below 543.98 for a little bit more strength. We need to get below what did I say? 543.98. Yeah, that'll be nice to get below that. Discord, if you're up, if you made money today, call it a day. Oh, look at this. Come on. Break it. Break it. If you made money today, call it a day. Look at the money. Look at the money we just printed. Again. Again. Break, retest, reject. I'm telling you what to do. I'm telling you what's going to happen. There's no way to lose. There's no way to lose. We got 2 more cents we need to break. We got 2 more cents we need to break. Oh, come on. Give me those 2 cents. It doesn't want to give me the 2 cents. Give me the 2 cents. They got an order block here. They got an order block right here. They don't want to break this order block. They don't want to break this order block right here. Simply amazing day. Oh my goodness. Lee, are you trading off you're trading off your phone? Lee, you are a savage. Why are you trading off your phone? Ah, they don't want to break the order block. I'm about to get stopped. I'm about to get stopped. I'm not even going to move my stop because I'm going to collect. I don't care. I'm not going to move my stop. I'm going to stick to it. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. No big deal. Plenty of money today. I mean, there's always room for more money in the wallet, but... Oh man, yeah. If you made money, call it. There's no reason. Oh, don't stop me out. It's gonna stop me out. It's fine. I'm gonna collect. I'll collect. Okay. All right, that was a good trade. That was a good trade. Woo wee. I took break of VWAP actually. Oh, they did it. They did it to me. They did it to me. You know what? I don't even care. All right, let's look for the next setup. Next setup, next setup. Let's go. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see. Oh, he stopped me out. It's fine. Oh, look, the order block. I told you there's an order block there. Did I not tell you there's an order block there? I literally just said there's an order block right here. When this level breaks, it's going to be... Come on, man. Damn. That's all right. I'm getting greedy now. I'm getting greedy. It's okay. Some money is better than no money. All right, let's give it time. Let's see what needs to happen now. Let's see what needs to happen. Your safety calls are going to be above 547.93. All right, we're about to break this magenta. All right, let's see if we break magenta here. We want to look for. We want to look for blue to form some type of support. All right, we broke magenta. Top of blue is going to be the target. Or blue is going to be the target. I took the breaking magenta, so my trade's protected. So now we're just going to wait and see what happens. When you don't hesitate, then you can't lose when you don't hesitate, right? Or your loss is very small. And I've accumulated enough for today to be able to take a loss. A small loss. If I get stopped out for break even, oh well. But you have to think, we're in a downtrend. Do you really want to fight the trend, right? Look, we're pointing down. Do you want to fight the trend? Or should you be looking for short entries? You probably should be looking for puts, right? But, if I can get a little something out of it, I'll get a little something out of it. I took this candle as a momentum candle. I took this wick, see how it rejected, and then this candle is momentum, so I got in somewhere here, so I'm safe. I am completely safe. Matter of fact, I'm going to move it a little bit inside profit just to cover any fees or slippage from your bid-ask spread. So on every contract, there's a bid-ask spread, right? So right now, let's look. If you were to do, okay, it's like $1. One of them's $1, one of them's like $2, $3. So I'm covering that bid-ask spread as well. But because my trade's protected, I don't have to worry. I don't have to worry. Whatever happens, happens. Come on, give me some more money. Oh, goodness. Come on. Oh, don't do that. Yeah, I'm going to move my stop up a little bit. I'm going to move it up just a little bit to collect some more, right? Little bit just to collect some more. So essentially, I'm like damn near at break even. I'm like just inside a break. I'm just inside a profit, like minimal profit, because I'm giving it room to breathe, right? Because if I'm wrong, then I lose nothing. But if I'm right, I win. I win big. With the amount of contracts, yeah, you win big. You can't hesitate. And now that I see this retracement, now I'm going to move my stop. Now I'm comfortably in profit. Comfortably in a good amount of profit. Good amount. For as many contracts, that's... I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. Your safety is going to be somewhere up here. Now, eventually, you guys are going to start to learn how to trade similar to me. I mean, you're going to come up with your own style, of course. And I hope you do. That's the goal, that you come up with your own style. You know what you're comfortable with. And eventually you'll see, like, you'll understand why I do certain things, why I take certain trades, why I don't hesitate. But you got to have enough capital in the bank to be comfortable with that. Once you get that capital, that's what I'm saying. Take your base hits now, build up that account. Once you start doing 2 contracts, then you'll be exponential. Once you get to 5 contracts, you'll see. You will see. Because I didn't hesitate, I'm comfortably in profit. And if it were to go against me right now, oh well. Oh well. You're talking about $500 profit in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. Where else can you do that? Look at the money. Look at the money we're printing. Look at the money we're printing right now. Look at the money we printed. Stop it. Stop it. Just like that. Just like that. We're still inside this yellow. Come on now. We got a system. We have a system and it works. It works. You can't deny the results. Discord knows what's up. Discord knows exactly what's up. I'm trailing because I'm fighting the trend, I'm trailing along this yellow. I have to trail along the yellow because I'm fighting the trend, so I can't, you know, I have to be ready for the reverse. And look, we're back at VWAP, right? And if it stops me out here, that's fine. That is fine because I didn't hesitate. I didn't let these candles scare me out, and I waited. That's all you got to do. Click a button and wait for the money to roll in. Look at it. Come on. Give me some more. Give me some more. Look at the money we printed. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. All right, if you took break a blue, your trade's protected, right? Break a blue, your trade's protected. Break a blue, look, I highlighted it. Break a blue, your trade's protected. I highlighted break a blue. You have the cup right here. Your trade is protected. Let's, oh my goodness. See, look. Oh my God. Look at this. Today's a Friday? Oh my goodness. This is exactly what we wanted, kinda, right? Just up. Remember this morning, what did I draw? This right here. I drew this right here. Right? Look at it. Look at it. Come on now. Best trader on the internet, that's for sure. Best trader on the internet. Or something's weird. Or I got a connection on the inside. Something. Look at this money we printed. Come on. If you're waiting for the safety at 547.93, there's nothing wrong with that. That's what you, as new traders, that's what you should be doing. Waiting for the safety setup. Let's see. I'm still holding my contracts from 1032. Oh no, what time? 1033. Still holding my contracts. I didn't hesitate. Here's what I saw. I saw the rejection. I saw the momentum candle. I went in. If I got stopped out, oh well. I had enough from all the other plays to survive and still make it green for the day. Look at this money we're printing. Back to VWAP. I told you we're going to play VWAP today. I told you we're going to play VWAP today. We are multifaceted. Look at this money. Keep going. Keep going. All right, we're back inside yellow. Are we? Well, we're almost back inside yellow. I might need to adjust it. I'll adjust it just a tad. I'm not going to adjust it more than that. Let's see if it bounces off a... Okay, we still got some more retracement all the way to blue. So I'll probably take... I'll cut chalks on break a green. If it breaks this right here, I'll get out. And take my money. Still feeding me. Still feeding me. Let's go. Let's go. A little more. I'm going to move my stop. I'm moving my stop now. I'm at green, so whatever happens, happens after here. That was a good... Look at this move. Look at this move. How much from... Let's say I got filled at the top. 544. 2-point move. 2-point move. Simply amazing. And I told you guys when I went in. I told you on break of this magenta, I'm going in. All right, that was a good trade. Wait, it didn't stop me yet. Hold on. It didn't break. Didn't break quite yet. All right, good trade. Now it stopped me. That was a good trade. I'll take it. Oh, don't wick. Just enough to stop me out. It's okay. 84% rule, right? Or I might, you know what? I'm probably done for the day, if I'm honest. I'm probably done for the day. There's no reason for me to trade anymore. 3 trades, all winners. I'm good. All winners. 100% today. Today was a good day. So look at the 5 minute. Just comfortably inside this green trend, which correlates with the blue. All right, so I'm done trading for the day. We made decent money. Let's look for, let's see. All right, for Discord, I am leaving here shortly. I got another few minutes on here. Use the 5 minute to guide for this short term. This is what it's going to be. So wait for it to break, retest, and reject off this green for safety. If it breaks the green and runs, then it runs. What are you going to do about it? We made money today. So let's not get greedy. Let's see what else we got. It's about to come up on 11 over there, so maybe compression time coming up. This is why I like to trade in the morning, because we have this motion, right? Remember yesterday, that compression was pretty much chopped for like 4 hours, and then the last, I don't know, the last 2 hours, 3 hours, they got popping again. So we might be in compression time. Let's see if we built up enough liquidity inside this. Oh, son of a... All right, let's see how price reacts to VWAP. VWAP is right here at the cup that I made. At the cup, at the flexion point, and we're at VWAP. And we're breaking blue. So let's see what happens. Might have stop hunt right here. We'll see. We don't know. Your safety for the calls, again, above 547.93. That's your safety for the calls. So your safety calls are going to be above 547.93. Your puts below 544.43. All right, looks like we're forming a wedge between blue and purple right here. See this wedge between blue and purple? We got to see which way it breaks. Don't try to force anything. This is just chop. There's no trade in here. This is just chop. It doesn't want to break above blue. This is just chop. It's 11 o'clock. Compression time. If you win, leave for the day. Why are you still here? You're being greedy if you're still here and you have money you didn't have 2 hours ago. It's just playing around at VWAP. Alright, I got another, I'll give it like 2 more minutes. I'm kind of interested to see what happens here. Break blue. Break a blue. Let's see if the target's 547.93. If you took break a blue, protect your trade. Protect your trade if you took break a blue. You got the 84% rule, this one. Break a blue, protect your trade. You can't hesitate, right? Because you want to be able to protect your trade as soon as possible. There it is. Break a blue. Break a blue. You're in profit. Break a blue. I highlighted it. You're in profit. Now what you do from here on out, that's on you. I gave you the keys. I gave you the keys to the Lambo. Don't crash it. Easy money. Easy money. Again, look at this. Break a blue. Take your money. Take your money. I told you there's a wedge forming between blue and purple. And if you notice, I took away the purple, right? It was highlighted before, and I took away the highlight, and I focused on blue. So you knew break a blue was the thing. Take your money. Look at the money we printed. Look at this money. There we go. You can't lose. It's impossible to lose. The only way you lose is if you're impatient. That's the only way you lose. If you're impatient and you don't have faith in the system that we've designed. We should be like, what, 4 for 4 winners today? 4 for 4. Take your money. Base hits. Add it up. They count. I don't care if it's 20 bucks. This is building the account. Okay, honestly, I have another 3 minutes left, and then I'm going to go. I just like being right so much that I had to wait to see this play out. Because I knew it was going to be break a blue, you can get something out of it. I knew it. Now again, your safety above 547.93. If you can't wait that long, then I don't know what to tell you. Amazing. But it didn't form a yellow channel yet. So this is going to be, you got to get what you can from it. It didn't form a yellow buying channel. No, it's not there yet. You got to take your money when you can. Why? Because we're fighting the trend. You see a downtrend happening, right? The downtrend's happening, so you gotta preserve your profit. Okay, YouTube, it's been fun. We made plenty of money today. We made our beer money. Discord, I'm going to hop in there in 1 second and sort everybody out.